how to find saved videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your saved videos on YouTube. So, let's dive right in. You need to open up a YouTube app. Now, first, I'll show you how to save the videos. So you can tap on the three dots and then tap on Save to Playlist. And then you can either save it in your existing playlist or create a new playlist. So you can give a title and then hit Create. Now, to find it, you need to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. And then there you go. You'll see playlist option. You just need to scroll and then you'll find all of your saved playlists here. If not, you can tap on view all and then you'll find the playlists right here. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.